Microsoft recently released the 26H1, an experimental preview build for insider program developers of Windows 11 users. If you want to test the new 26H1 build in your PC or laptop having Windows 11 operating system, then this video is for you. Today, in this video, I will show how to download the latest 26H1 ISO file to update your Windows 11 version. Let's get straight to the point. Open any web browser and search for the tag Download Windows 11 Insider Preview. And open the official link from Microsoft. This is the Windows Insider Preview page. To access this page, first, you need to register or enroll to Windows Insider Program. For registering, click on the ME button at the top and sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your Microsoft ID and password that you use to register Windows 11 operating system. After signing in, click Learn More button and join the Insider program. Scroll down and click on Register Now. Click Sign In Now and re-enter your ID and password. Scroll down, then accept the terms and conditions and click Register to join Insider Program. In the Previewing Windows menu, click the link named Download a Windows Insider Preview ISO. Here is the Insider Preview download page. Scroll down to the bottom. Then select the edition of Windows and click Confirm. Select the latest experimental build, number 28120.2315, the 26H1. Then select the language and download the 64-bit version. Now it starts downloading. Please wait to finish the download process. After completing the download, open the ISO and install it directly to update your edition to 26H1. Please note that this is an experimental build, so it may have performance issues or bugs. So install it at your own risk. And make a backup copy of all your important data before starting the installation process. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.